How to make an Excel spreadsheet out of all of your over 30 days, over 60 days, over 90 days, or the whole system. This is how you do it. You open the house, go to accounts receivable, customer maintenance, click on view customer, click on lookup, account balance, okay. We're going to change the balance to over 90 days, and we're going to push refresh. As you can see, a lot of these names are other branch stores, a Mobile store, A1 Montgomery store, etc. And I do not want to include those in my Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to go over here to codes, and I'm going to double click. While that's working, I'm going to show you what that code means. When I go to customer maintenance and I go to miscellaneous here, we've got account codes. And the only one that I know what it means at all, because all of these don't have anything defined on them. People might have typed a 1 here and it means something to them, but I don't know what it means because nobody ever defined it. This is the only one that has anything defined. 1, their invoice prints, and B for interstore accounts. It's a branch account. In other words, it's A1 Mobile or Montgomery or A1 Dothan, or you see the point. Okay, so now that these are in order, I can see which codes are listed under all of these individual customer numbers. I'm going to right click anywhere up here on this light purple line and push Control Panel, Export to CSV file, Export and launch Excel. And then I'm going to open Excel and find it. I'm going to delete the job, delete the has jobs. I don't need to know any of that. Of course, I can make that bigger. But first of all, what I want to do is get rid of any codes that have the B, because I don't need any of these branch stores listed in my report. Take all these B's out. And we'll take Nathan out. He doesn't need to be in the report. Right click, delete. And see, like I said, these other places have codes, but I don't know what any of them mean. Hopefully somebody still works here who does. I'm going to go down through there. Okay, good. So this gives us a list of 234 people who have outstanding balances that are over 90 days. And I'm going to work through these and see if I can't get some money brought to us. We can also go through the method of using this to put in collection letters, things like that. But for now, I just wanted a list.